My dear students, welcome to DM Pannale classes YouTube channel. Now, we will discuss second PUC mathematics syllabus. In your syllabus, total 6 units are there. The first unit is relations and functions. In this unit, the first chapter is relations and functions. In this chapter, we will discuss types of relations, types of functions, and finally binary operation. In this chapter, the first concept is types of relation. Here, reflexive, symmetric, transitive, empty relation, universal relation, and equivalence relation with examples and problem. In second concept, types of functions. In this concept, we will discuss one function, onto function, inverse of a function, composite function, and their properties only with examples and problems. Okay, here in this chapter, the last concept is binary operation. In binary operation, we will discuss the definitions of associative, commutative, identity, inverse with example. Second chapter, inverse trigonometric functions. In second chapter, inverse trigonometric function. In this chapter, we will discuss the definitions of inverse trigonometric function with domain, range, principal value branches with examples on inverse trigonometric functions and graphs of inverse trigonometric functions. One more important concept is there, the properties of inverse trigonometric function. By using properties of inverse trigonometric function to solve or to find or show that some important results on inverse trigonometric functions. Here, next move on to unit 2. Second unit, algebra. In algebra, the first concept is matrices. In this chapter, this is third chapter, we will discuss in this section types of matrices, algebra of matrices, symmetric and skew symmetric matrices with definitions and properties of symmetric, skew symmetric matrices with some important theorems. And one more concept is there, elementary row and column operation, and finding the inverse of a matrix restricted to 2 by 2 matrices only. And one more important concept, that is invertible matrices, proofs of the uniqueness of inverse if it exists. Here all matrices will have real entries. Next, chapter number 4, determinants. In this chapter, we will discuss determinant of a square matrix up to 3 by 3 matrices, definition, expansion, properties of determinants, minors, cofactors, and problems, and applications of determinants in finding the areas of a triangle, and adjoint, inverse of a square matrix, definition of singular and non-singular matrices, mentioning their properties, along with we will discuss some important theorems, and consistency, inconsistency, and the number of solutions of system of linear equation by examples. Okay, this is 5 mark okay, linear equations by examples. Okay, next, solving system of linear equations in 2 and 3 variable having unique solutions using inverse of a matrix. Next, unit 3, very important unit, calculus. In this unit, the first concept is continuity and differentiability. In continuity, we will discuss definitions, continuity of a function at a point on a domain with examples and problems, and algebra of continuous function and problems, continuity of composite function and problems. Here one more very important concept is there in this unit, that is differentiability. In this unit, we will discuss definitions, theorem connecting differentiability and continuity with counterexample, defining logarithm, mentioning its properties, concepts of exponential function, logarithmic function, derivatives of e raised to x, log x from first principle, derivatives of composite functions using chain rule and properties, derivatives of inverse trigonometry functions with problems, derivatives of implicit functions and problems, logarithmic differentiation and problems, and one more important concept is there, that is derivatives of functions expressed in parametric form and problems, second order derivatives on problems. Okay, here in your annual examination, 5 marks asked on this concept, second order derivative. And one more very important concept is there, that is Rolle's theorem and Lagrange's mean value theorem without proof. We will discuss only examples on Rolle's theorem and Lagrange's mean value theorem. Next chapter, applications of derivatives. In this chapter, we will discuss very important concepts like tangents and normals, derivatives as a rate of change, increasing and decreasing functions and problems, and maxima, minima, and approximation and problems. Next chapter, integrals. This very important concept, integrals. Total 22 marks asked on this chapter. Integration is the inverse process of differentiation. List of all the results immediately follows from knowledge of differentiation, geometrical interpretation of definite integral, mentioning elementary properties and problems. Next, methods of integration. There are 3 methods of integrations are there. First one, integration by substitution method. Examples, integration using trigonometric identities with examples. Next, integration by partial fraction. Problems related to reducible factors in denominators only. And one more important concept is integrals of some particular functions. Evaluations of integrals of dx divided by a square plus or minus x square, integral of dx divided by root under x square plus or minus a square, integral of dx divided by root under a square minus x square, and properties. And problems on integrals of functions like integral of px plus q divided by ax square plus bx plus c into dx, integral of px plus q divided by root under ax square plus bx plus c into dx. Here one more very important concept, that is integration by parts. Problems integrals of the type integral of e raised to x into f of x plus f dash of x into dx related simple problems. Next, evaluation of integrals of some more types like root under x square plus or minus a square, root under a square plus or minus x square, and problems. Okay, one more very important concept is, that is definite integrals. In your annual examination, 6 mark questions belongs to this concept, definite integrals. Here in this concept we will discuss definitions of integral as a limit of a sum to evaluate integrals of the form integral of f of x into dx between the limit 0 to a only. And one more fundamental theorem of calculus without proof, and basic properties of definite integral and evaluation of definite integrals. In your annual examination, 6 mark question belongs to this concept only, basic properties of definite integrals and evaluation of a definite integrals. Okay, next chapter, applications of integrals. Applications of integrals. In this chapter we will discuss area under curve, area under simple curves, especially line, arcs of circle, parabolas, ellipse in standard form only. And one more concept, area bounded by two above said curves, problems only. We will discuss in this section only problems. Okay. Next, chapter number 5, next chapter, differential equation. In this chapter, definitions of differential equation, order and degree, general and particular solution of a differential equation, formation of differential equation whose general solution containing at most 2 arbitrary constant is given. And one more important concept, solution of differential equation by method of separation of variables, homogeneous differential equation of first order and first degree, solutions of linear differential equation of the type dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where p and q are functions of x or constants. And one more type is there, that is dx by dy plus px plus q, where p, q are functions of y or constants. Okay. In your annual examination, 5 marks asked on these types only. A solution of linear differential equation of the type dy by dx plus py is equal to q, or dx by dy plus px is equal to q. Okay. Next unit, 4th unit, vectors and 3-dimensional geometry. In this unit, the first concept is vectors. Definitions of vectors, scalars, magnitude and direction of a vector, direction cosines, ratios of a vectors, types of vectors. Types of vectors very important. Sometime one more question asked on this chapter, in this concept, types of vectors: define, equal vectors, unit vectors, zero vector, parallel, collinear vector, coplanar vector, like this. Next, components of a vector. Next, algebra of vectors, scalar or dot product of vectors, vector or cross product of vectors, scalar triple product. Okay. Next chapter, a 3-dimensional geometry. Direction cosines or ratios of a line joining 2 points, and straight line in a space, and plane. These are the 2 very important concepts: straight lines in space, and plane. Okay. Next chapter, linear programming. Linear programming. In your annual examination, total 7 marks asked from this chapter, 1 mark definition and 6 marks question on different types of LPP. So this is unit number 5, and last unit probability. Unit 6 probability, conditional probability, definition, property, problems, multiplication theorem, independent Bayes theorem of total probability and problems. Probability, distribution of a random variable, definition of a random variable, probability, distribution of a random variable, mean, variance of a random variable, and problems. And one more important concept is there, that is Bernoulli's trials and binomial distribution. Okay, this is total 6 units. There are total 13 chapters are there in your syllabus. Now we will discuss design of the question paper. Subject mathematics and subject code is 35. Okay. Now weightage to content. Chapters, number of teaching hours, and marks allotted on these chapters. First one are relations and functions. The number of teaching hours is 11, number of marks on this chapter is 11. Inverse trigonometry function 8, 8. Matrices again 8, 9. Determinants 13, 12. Continuing differentiability, number of teaching hours is 19 and marks on this chapter is 20. Similarly, applications of derivatives, number of teaching hours is 11, marks 10. Integrals, number of teaching hours is 21 and marks 22. Applications of integrals 8, 8. Differential equation, number of teaching hours is 9 and marks 10. Vector algebra 11, 11. And 3-dimensional geometry, 12, 11. LPP 7, 7. Okay, 1 mark 1 question plus 6 mark 1 question. Probability, the number of teaching hours is 12 and marks on this chapter is 11. Okay, this is our weightage to content. Now we will discuss pattern of the question paper. There are 5 parts are there: part A, part B, part C, part D, part E. Types of questions: number of questions to be set, number of questions to be answered, and remark. Okay. In part A, 1 mark questions are there. The number of questions to be set 10, the number of questions to be answered again 10. This is compulsory part. And part B contains 2 mark questions, number of questions to be set 14, number of questions to be answered only 10. 14 questions are there, we touch only 10 questions. This is not compulsory part. Next part C. Part C containing 3 mark questions, number of questions to be set 14 and number of questions to be answered 10. Okay. In part D containing 5 mark questions, number of questions to be set 10 and number of questions to be answered 6. In part E containing 10 mark question, each questions with 2 subdivisions, namely 6 mark 1 question, 4 mark 1 question, 6 mark 1 question and 6 mark 1 question and 4 mark 1 question. Number of questions to be set 2, number of questions to be answered 1. Okay, here in part D and part E, one important remark is there, that is that is questions must be asked from specific set of topics as mentioned below under section 5 under section 5. Okay, here part D and part E, these are the fixed questions. These questions must be asked from specific set of topics. Okay, here as mentioned below under section 5. Here this is section 5. Content area to select questions part D and part E. In part D, the first chapter is relations and functions. Okay, here the problems on verification of invertibility of a functions and writing its inverse. Okay. Next, second chapter, matrices, problems on verification on basis of conclusion on algebra of matrices. And chapter number 3, determinants, problems on finding solution to simultaneous linear equation involving 3 unknown quantities by matrix method. And chapter number 4, fourth one, continuity and differentiability, problems on second order derivative, only examples. Next, applications of derivatives, problems on derivatives as a rate measure, rate of change of quantity. Integrals, derivations on infinite integrals and evaluation of an indefinite integral by using the derived formula. Next, chapter number 7, applications of integrals, problems on finding areas of the bounded region by the methods of integration. Chapter number 8, differential equation, problems on solving linear differential equation of the type dy by dx plus py is equal to q, where p and q are constant or functions of x only. Okay, or another type dx by dy plus dx by dy plus p1 y, okay, p1 x is equal to q1, where q1 and p1 are the functions of y or constants. Okay. Next, chapter number 9, 3-dimensional geometry, derivations on 3-dimensional geometry, both vector and Cartesian form. Chapter number 10, probability, problems on Bernoulli's trials, binomial distribution. Okay. In part E, 6 marks question must be taken from the following content areas only. In integral chapters, derivation on definite integrals and evaluation of a definite integral using the derived formula. Okay. In LPP, linear programming problems on linear programming, this is 6 marks question. 4 mark questions must be taken from the following content areas only. In this chapter, problems on continuous function. In chapter number 4, problems on evaluation of determinants by using properties. Okay. Next, now we will discuss sample blueprint of second PC mathematics. Okay. Next, time is 3 hours 15 minutes, maximum marks 100. Next, first chapter. In part A, relation functions, 1 mark 1 question, 2 mark 1 question, 3 mark one question, 5 mark one question. Here there is no 6 mark and 4 mark, total 11 marks. In second chapter, inverse trigonometric function, 1 mark one question, 2 mark 2 question, 3 mark one question, dash dash dash, total 8 marks. Next, chapter number 3, matrices, 1 mark one question, 3 mark one question, 5 mark one question, total 9 mark. In determinants, 1 mark one question, 2 mark one question, 5 mark one question and 4 mark one question, total 12 marks. In chapter number 5, continuity and differentiability, 1 mark one question, 2 mark 2 question, 3 mark 3 question, 5 mark one question, 6 mark one question, total 20. Applications of derivatives, 1 mark one question, 3 mark one question, 5 mark one question, total 10 marks. In integrals, 1 mark one question, 2 mark 2 question, 3 mark 2 question, 5 mark one question and 6 mark one question, total 22 marks. First highest chapter. In annual examination, total 22 integrals, 22 marks on this chapter. Okay, 1 mark 1, 2 mark 2, 3 mark 2, 5 mark 1, 6 mark 1. Okay. Next, chapter number 8, applications of integrals, 3 mark 1, only 5 mark 1, only 2 questions asked on this chapter, applications of integrals. Next, differential equation, 2 mark 1 question, this question asked on find the differential equations are given, find order and degree. Three mark one question and 5 mark one question. Vector algebra, total 11 marks asked from this chapter, 1 mark 1, 2 mark 2, 3 mark 2. In 3-dimensional geometry, 1 mark 1 question, 2 mark 1 question, 3 mark 1 question, 5 mark 1 question, total 11 marks. Next, linear programming, 1 mark 1 question, this is definition, and 6 mark 1 question, total 7 mark. In last chapter, probability, total 11 marks asked from this chapter, 1 mark 1, 2 mark 1, 3 mark 1, 5 mark 1 questions. Here this is our sample blueprint of second PUC mathematics. Okay, thank you my dear students. Please see design of the question paper, sample blueprint and syllabus. Thank you for watching.